Once the RXPad will be signed in, you will see a pop-up on the RXPad saying that you can use the remote keyboard on the RXPad itself to perform the same sign-in process on the MTR. So I'm going to press the keyboard. And once I will move with the navigation keys on the RXPad, it will move accordingly on the MTR itself. And I will be able to press using the RXPad on the option I want to choose and perform the same sign-in process with the same Teams account on the MTR itself. I'm using the same account as used before on the RXPad itself. Entering the password. We can exit the remote keyboard of the RXPad by using the left back arrow key. Not this one, but the left one. Now in this situation, the RXPad is still looking for the relevant Teams devices to be paired with. As you can see now on the RXV81 screen, you see that the RXV81 is signed in with the account I've signed in on the RXPad, but still I do not see the same RXV81 discovered on the RXPad. I will do search again. And now, as you can see, the RXV81 was found because it is signed in with the same Teams account. I will press on the purple icon. And the MTR is now paired with the RXPad when you get the all set message. This is a working functional bundle of RXPad with RXV81. The next step, we are going to demonstrate how to use the RXPad and the RXV81 as a BYOD function. What does it mean, BYOD? BYOD is mean bring your own device. I'm using my laptop here, and I want to use the RXV81 as my audio device. So what's going to happen? I'm going to use a USB Type-C cable, and I'm going to connect the Type-C end to the RXV81, and the other end will be connected to my laptop to the USB port. What is going to happen on the screen? The RXV81 and accordingly its RXPad will now be identified as bring your own device. The RXV81 is now listed as a peripheral device, meaning my laptop as identifying the USB audio device and the USB camera of the RXV81. I can choose it on my laptop, and I will now play the sound from the 81. And if I will start a Teams meeting, I will be able to use it as my camera. So if I will join the meeting, in the Teams desktop client, I will choose the RXV81 as my microphone and my speakers, of course, and also as my camera. Once I will do join, and I will open my camera, the drop-down button, arrow, I will be able to use the camera of the 81. Now you can see me using the RXV81.